So hello guys, for today's video, we're going to make a pickled cucumber and onions. So I have my two jars here, one for the onions and another one for the cucumber. So I'm going to slice or cut them up and then put them inside. Okay, this is so I'm cutting enough to fill the whole jar. Okay, so I'm going to put them in a jar lengthwise just to have enough space, and you can put them all and don't waste cucumber. So this is the way it is. So I'm going to cut the onions in half, then peel them skin, peel it off the skin for it to have a clean one. So now, just like the pickles or the cucumber, I'm going to put them in like that. Okay. So, okay guys, I'm going to take this 4 slices of garlic cloves and then I'm going to put this in a jar, 2 each. Okay, just like do like this, just to have a wound or something like that. Is it a wound? So next guys, let's add up 2 cups of water and 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 spoons of rough sea salt. Okay, 1 2 spoon of sugar. Okay, now we're going to blend it up until it's completely dissolved. Okay guys, we've let it simmer for a while from the stove, and it's time for us to pour it in here. Okay guys, that's about it. So I'm going to put this in the fridge for 3 weeks so we can use this pickled cucumber pickled, or onion pickled one. So yep, see ya.